Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
This isn't just cutting metal. It's CNC machine translating pure data into physical reality. Now we move from shaping metal to weaving the copper threads that will bring it to life. Let's scale up. Meet the bucket wheel excavator, a mechanical beast terraforming our world, one bite at a time. But ingenuity isn't just about size. This small chaff cutter saves a farmer hundreds of hours. Back to the heart of industry, shaping steel. At over 1700 degrees Fahrenheit, it becomes workable clay. And how do we move all this stuff? With the simple genius of the forklift and pallet. Once the goods are made, they need a box. This is a mechanical ballet of folding and tucking. Even the humble staple is a marvel of high-speed engineering. Just listen to that perfect rhythm. This is the final sprint to the store shelf, with a perfect seal and label every time. Now that same level of ingenuity comes home. This isn't just a lock, it's a digital gatekeeper. Back on the farm, this grinder turns raw harvest into high-energy feed with brute force. And from the fields to the forest, a bandsaw transforming a raw log into pristine lumber. Here, human skill meets pure power. He's sculpting the landscape with a gasoline-powered paintbrush. This is a perfect example of semi-automation, keeping a human in the loop for complex tasks. If one CNC machine is good, then two running in perfect parallel are even better. This is hot dip galvanizing, giving steel a superhero cape against rust in an 840-degree zinc bath. Here, an automated welder lays down a flawless bead, joining two pipes with robotic perfection. This is the thunderous heartbeat of mass production, stamping out motor parts with incredible force. It's an old-school technique, but this machine makes riveting impossibly fast and brutally effective. You can feel the history here. A simple flywheel stores energy for each powerful punch. When a job is too dirty or dangerous, we send in the robots, cleaning this duct from the inside out. An elegant solution. First, the blower's tight, then the mulcher recycles it all on the spot. Think of it as a kitchen blender on steroids, built to process food on an industrial scale. Sometimes the most brilliant tool is the simplest, a smart lever doing all the heavy lifting. And this is where it all began. Heat, muscle, and a blacksmith's deep understanding of steel. Here's a classic garage invention, using simple leverage to make a chore oddly satisfying. Sometimes ingenuity isn't about practicality, but about asking, what if, and then building the answer. The simple satisfaction of a perfect lawn edge, brought to you by a spinning piece of plastic line. For the most dangerous terrain, we take the human out of the equation. This is remote-controlled power. Instead of shaping the outside, this lathe carves the inside of a pipe with incredible precision. The same digital precision we saw on metal, now applied to the warm, organic medium of wood. We're talking about monumental force here, squeezing a white-hot block of steel like modeling clay. This industrial chipper makes short work of bamboo, a notoriously tough and fibrous material. This baling press takes a literal mountain of fabric and makes it ready for the recycling chain. Here, a machine bends hot rebar, creating the tough steel skeleton inside our concrete world. This is pure genius. Handheld tool that brings the power of a hydraulic press to any job site. The engine that powered a revolution, beautifully simplified to its core steam-driven principles. Fire and force. That flame is burning lubricant, essential to forging a part with superior strength. Like a giant mechanical comb, this excavator gently cleans a waterway without destroying the banks. Under thousands of pounds of pressure, sawdust becomes a dense, slow-burning fuel block. Here's a classic linesman splice, a connection that's as strong mechanically as it is electrically. When all else fails, fight rust with fire. The intense thermal shock breaks the corrosion's grip. This is a go-anywhere, all-terrain concrete plant, bringing the foundation right to the frontier. This is pure physics. A simple score line, thermal shock, turn a bottle into a glass. A cookie cutter for leather. The operator's skill is in minimizing the waste of this expensive material. Even our leisure is engineered. These gadgets make opening and enjoying a drink completely effortless. A simple, brilliant redesign of a classic kitchen tool, making high-speed slicing perfectly safe. A robot chef that's mastered the perfect stir-fry wrist flick for consistent results every time. Taking pixels to the sky. This is where art, marketing, and heavy-lift drone engineering meet. This is how billions of plastic bottles begin, as molten resin injected into a precision mold. Even our showers are feats of engineering, with complex valves creating a personal waterfall on demand. The blade's angle is precisely calibrated for a clean cut that never tears the product. This is the future of logistics, a fleet of delivery drones launching from an urban rooftop. That's an electric hydrofoil. He's literally flying on an underwater wing in a graduation gown. The handoff from human to robot. This little guy navigates the hotel halls all by itself. A smart attachment that turns an ordinary drill into a powerful winch for pulling cables. That incredibly long arm requires a perfectly balanced hydraulic system to avoid tipping over. No rolling pin required. This machine turns a ball of dough into perfect dumpling wrappers. A vacuum gripper lifts the box before another machine tapes it shut, the final step in automation. Sometimes all you need is a sharp grid and a bit of old-fashioned muscle for perfect cuts. A perfect street-side innovation. This simple jig makes preparing fresh sugarcane look effortless. This custom tool is all about torque, using gear reduction to slice through tough bamboo. Shaving off whisper-thin layers of steel to create a surface flat enough for a perfect seal.